Hello, welcome back. Let's learn basic Malay step by step. Can you say this digraph sound? We say This letter has two different sounds in Malay. We say or e. Put them together, we can say or ang. Now, let's read some suku kata with first. Beng, cheng, deng, geng, heng, zheng, keng, leng, meng, neng, peng, reng, seng, teng. Now, let's read the suku kata with ang. Ang, bang, cheng, deng, geng, heng, zheng, keng, leng, meng, neng, peng, reng, seng, teng. Okay, let's read some common words. Can you read this word? We say enggan. Enggan. It means doesn't want to do something or not willing to do something. For example, dia enggan makan sayur. She doesn't want to eat vegetables. This word is bengkak. Bengkak. Swollen. Kaki saya bengkak selepas jatuh. My leg is swollen after the fall. Here we use the e sound for the letter E. So we say bengkel. Bengkel. It can mean a workshop. Dia bekerja di bengkel kereta. He works at a car repair shop. This word is bengkang bengkok. Bengkang bengkok. It means not straight. Jalan itu bengkang bengkok. The road is not straight. That means it has many turns. Here again, we use the e sound for the letter E. We say loceng. Loceng means bell. Saya dengar bunyi loceng. I hear the sound of a bell. This word is dengkur. Dengkur means snore, the sound someone makes when sleeping. For example, ayah berdengkur kuat. Father snores loudly. Here we use the e sound for the letter E. We say dengue. Dengue refers to dengue fever, a disease caused by a type of mosquito bites. Dia dimasukkan ke hospital kerana dengue. Can you understand the sentence? He was admitted to the hospital because of dengue fever. This word is lengkuas. Lengkuas. Lengkuas is galanga, the root of a tropical plant that is used in cooking as a spice. Lengkuas. Here we use the e sound for the letter E. We say lenggang. Lenggang. It means to sway the arms while walking. For example, model-model itu mempunyai gaya lenggang yang sangat menarik. Those models have a very attractive swaying style while walking. Here we say penggal. Penggal means a time period or a term. For example, penggal pertama sekolah bermula bulan Januari. The first school term starts in January. Here we use the e sound for the letter E. We say pengsan. Pengsan means to faint or pass out. Dia pengsan kerana panas terik. He fainted because of the very hot weather. Here we use the e sound for the letter E. We say goreng. Goreng means to fry. Pisang goreng ini sangat sedap. This fried banana is very tasty. This word is sengsara. Sengsara means suffering or hardship. Orang-orang mengalami sengsara akibat perang. People suffered hardship because of the war. This word is tenggelam. Tenggelam means to sink or go underwater. Kapal itu tenggelam di laut. The ship sank in the sea. Well done for trying. Please subscribe and like for more Malay lessons. Bye bye. I'll see you again.